Welcome to iDynamics Learn. In this video, we will be looking at how to calculate royalties, a new feature of iDynamics Commissions. Salesperson rules also allow us to calculate royalties. First, we need to create a new salesperson rule. Click on the drop-down box and select Item. Then you need to select the specific product or group of products you want to create the royalty for. Check the Add Additionals Only box. Now you need to select the additional salesperson that represents the person or company that should receive royalties. Select the commission type as specific commission and set the royalty rate as required. The example here is 1%. Now, if we open a new sales document, we can see if the royalty has been calculated. So here, select the company, the product for which we recreated the royalty, and the amount. And in details, we can see the royalty has been created correctly and the amount calculated.